Hello, today I'm making this great recipe, Oklahoma onion burger. I know you're gonna love it. So here's the recipe, enjoy.
Pour 220 grams or 1 cup of water in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 100 grams or a third of a cup of ripe sourdough starter. Mix with a spatula to let the sourdough starter dissolve in the mix. Add 50 grams or 1 large egg. Add 400 grams or 3 1/4 cups of bread flour. Feed a stand mixer with the hook attachment and mix until the ingredients are well incorporated. Add 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, cut in pieces. Add the butter little by little as you keep mixing the dough. Then add 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt. Keep kneading the dough in your stand mixer for about 30 minutes or until it is soft and elastic as this one. Place the dough on your working table. Stretch and fold it and add more tension and form a ball. The dough has to look as soft and beautiful as this one. So now, place it in a grease bowl and cover it with a plastic wrap or a plastic lid and let it ferment in a warm place until it doubles in size. I am fermenting my dough in my dough proofer to speed up the process at 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. After 4 hours, my dough looks ready. It has doubled in size. So I take it out of the bowl and then I place it on the working table and make a ball of dough again. I divide the dough in 8 equal pieces. I recommend you to use a food scale to get equal sized pieces of dough. Now stretch and fold one last time the dough on your working table and make balls of dough with circular movements on top of your working table. These circular movements will help you add enough tension to your dough. Place the balls of dough on a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat and cover the dough with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap and let the dough proof in a warm place for another 4 hours. After 4 hours, your dough should have doubled in size. So now, brush the dough with egg wash. To make this egg wash, just mix 1 egg with half a teaspoon of water. Cover all the dough well with the egg wash. You can add sesame seeds on top of the dough if you want. Place the dough in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. Take the bread out of the oven and brush it with melted butter as soon as possible. Now that your buns are ready, prepare your hamburger. Get a white onion and slice it as thin as possible. Make a quick and delicious sauce for your burger. Combine in a bowl mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, and some hot sauce. Toast the buns in a hot cast iron. Then add some oil to the hot pan and place 2 balls of 150 grams or 5 ounces of ground meat. Place an abundant quantity of onions on top of the meat and use a spatula to smash the meat. Season with garlic salt and fresh mill pepper. Cook for about 90 seconds or until the meat has a nice crust like this one. Flip the meat around, place all the onions under the meat and season well the other side of the meat. Add a slice of sharp cheddar cheese on top of the meat. Cook until the meat is at your desired temperature. I personally like a medium temperature, juicy burger. To prepare the burger, spread the sauce on both of the bread slices. Place both the slices of meat on the bun and add any other sauce or condiments. I love to eat my burger with my special chipotle mayo sauce for an extra kick of flavor. And there you have it, a delicious burger with onions, Oklahoma style. Enjoy!
So here you got it. We'll see if this burger lives to the hype. Let's try it out. I'm not gonna lie, it is quite delicious and I know you're gonna love it. I mean, if you love onions as much as I do, and even if you don't love it as much as I do, I know you're gonna love it. So I really recommend you this burger and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you on the next video.